In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for cover letters, a step-by-step guide. Let's start by clearing any leftover context that could bias your draft. On your main dashboard, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner, open Settings, choose Personalization, and then Manage Memories. Take a minute to remove old company names, unrelated job titles, or past project parameters. This resets the tone and focus so the assistant can work with your current application, not yesterday's conversations. Next, choose the right engine tier for your task. At the very top of the chat window, open the model selection dropdown. If you're brainstorming quick taglines, scanning for basic typos, or pulling a fast list of action verbs, pick the instant tier. It's built for speed and responds in milliseconds. If you're aligning your resume metrics to a complex job description, crafting psychological hooks, or building a persuasive narrative, switch to the thinking tier for deeper, more structured reasoning. Now set up a powerful priming prompt. Skip short, vague requests like, write me a cover letter for an IT job, which produce generic filler. Instead, press Shift plus Enter to create a clean multi-line prompt and paste this. Act as an elite corporate recruiter, executive hiring manager, and master career coach. I want to draft a highly persuasive, tailored cover letter. Before you write any text, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my targeted job title, the core technical requirements from the company's job posting, and my top 2 real-world professional metrics or project wins so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. Then answer each question one by one so the model can dial in accuracy. Once your target role and achievements are in, move to a focused workspace. You can upload your resume using the clip or plus icon. In the message field, type /canvas create a formal cover letter draft based on our data. Structure the layout to include a professional header, a compelling introductory hook, an achievement-focused body section tracking my metrics, and a direct professional closing call to action. Your screen splits, prompts on the left, a clean editor on the right. With the draft open, refine your voice inline. Highlight any sentence or paragraph, click the small comment bubble above your selection, and give a precise instruction like, this section sounds too modest. Rewrite it to focus heavily on my data-backed achievements. Use an active, authoritative, professional verb instead of a passive phrase. For faster polishing, open the tool menu at the bottom right of the canvas and slide the tone to professional/direct to strip out weak filler. Before you export, verify company details. Click the globe icon in the chat input and run a search such as search the web for the current corporate mission statements or core initiatives announced by company name in 2026. Finally, hit export or download in the Canvas header and save your letter as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one.